So you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture. You've come to the right place, need you to learn about it all. Welcome to Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La 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 la. I don't know. Should we just get started? Whatever you think, boss. Okay. Hey, everybody. Let me fix my headphones. Okay. Hey, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe, Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. Nana BOOZHOO Nindigenicas. Nana BOOZHOO is my name. And Neeman Wangdom. G-A-I-N Omanungum. I'm happy to be here today. And so today I was thinking, you guys, should we just go around the room and let everyone just introduce themselves, and then we'll and then say one thing in Ojibwe, and this will be our Ojibwe lesson for the day. You want to get us started, sweetie? Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Natasha Owe. This is Natasha.
All right then. BOOZHOO! Hello! My name is Natasha. Natasha Nindigenicas. And Natasha is my name. And yeah, Neiman Wyndham. G-A-I-N Omanungum. I'm happy to be here today. And next up, we got Baka Akwe Away. This is Baka Akwe. This is chicken. After you, Mr. Baka Akwe.
Baka! BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe, Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Baka Akwe Nindigenicas. Baka Akwe is my name. Baka Akwe. Chicken. Now, Stephen away. This is Stephen. Take it away, Stephen.
Ah, yes. Thank you very much. Baka Akwe. BOOZHOO, everyone. BOOZHOO Gakina. Stephen Nindigenicas. Stephen is my name. And I too am happy to be here today. Neiman Wangdom, I am happy. So now please welcome Benjamin Away. Benjamin, this is Benjamin.
Hey, okay. Hey, bonjour, everyone. Benjamin Nindigenicas. Benjamin is my name. And, Nimbukate. I am hungry. That's my Ojibwe lesson. Nimbukate. I am hungry. Oh, what? All right. And up next, we got Mukwa. Mukwa. Oh, wait. This is Mukwa.
All right, Benjamin, thank you very much. Hey, everyone.
Mukwa Nindijan Cause. Mukwa is my name. And yeah. Bear. Mukwa, bear. Bear is my name. You know, have you guys noticed how everyone's name is just like what they are?
Well, not me.
Not me. Well, yeah, not you guys, but everyone. I mean, got Anamosh, dog, and Baka Akwe. And then there's Waboos, of course, and Gajagants, rabbit, and cat. Anyway, yeah, so I'm Mukwa, and this is the rabbit and the cat. Take it over, boys.
All right then. What BOOZHOO? Goes against an indigenous cause. Cat is my name. Waboos away. This is rabbit. Yeah, BOOZHOO. Waboos an indigenous cause. Rabbit is my name. And yeah.
All right then. Anamosh, an indigenous cause. Anamosh is my name. Dog is my name. You can call me Ani. But all right. Anything else you want to add here, boss? No, you just want to send us out? Yeah, okay. You have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Anamosh, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hoa. How was that? Oh, you did just good.
Gigawaba min, minawa. I'll see you again.
Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migazi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asivanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jitamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com.